Someday I'll make it there, I swear, to that place that haunts my dreams at night, singing heavenly highway hymns all the way up to that beautiful countryside. Someday I'll find words to explain all the good times that echo through my mind. You're green in the mornings, a warm summer sun, saying don't worry, those chemicals alive. Just some kids who need love, using laughter as a drug, doing their best to toe the hard line. Someday I'll lie under blue skies and the hay fields that brought me back home, and I'll ask forgiveness with God as my witness for straying far on my own. Today I'll hold my head up high, knowing someday comes one day at a time. Today there's a sunset soon, the sun warm. Today I've got Sunday on my mind. Hi there pluckers, I was Four Fingers again with hopefully another interesting lesson for you Bryan fans out there. Okay, a new song from him, released a few days ago, late March, and it's Someday on My Mind. Okay, so I am in standard tuning but with a capo on fret 4. 4th fret capo puts us into the same key as Bryan. Okay, so not too difficult this one. Okay. Starts off with a C chord, so a couple of strums on a C chord, and then you add your pinky to the top E string, or 3rd fret from the capo. Just hit that note. Okay, so I'm doing an upstroke on it. Okay, alright. Okay, then we go to an A minor. Then to a G, and then I'm doing a little riff. You don't have to do this, but it's on the record, you know, so to speak. So, and what that is a slide from the 2nd fret on the 4th string up to the 5th fret on the 4th string, and then back again to the 2nd fret. Open 4th string. Okay, so, and then it goes to an F. He plays an F bar chord, okay? So F bar chord. I mean, you could just do a straightforward F if you wanted to, but he's actually using a bar chord, just to let you know. I get pulled up on that sometimes. People say, oh, he uses a bar chord. So here's a bar chord. He's playing an F bar chord, but you could play a simple if you can't do it, okay? So from the beginning, so you play that lot twice. It goes around twice, okay? So. Again. Okay, now we're into the song, and it's basically the same chord sequence as the intro. Okay, someday let's put it down. Okay, it's exactly the same as the intro. Okay. Whether you put the little pinky on is up to you. He does sometimes, sometimes he does, sometimes he doesn't. Okay, it's very random. Okay, so someday I'll make it there, I swear, to that place that haunts my dreams at night. Exactly the same. Say C, A minor, G, F, all the way through the verse. Okay, non-stop. So let's just do the intro and the first verse for you very slowly. Okay, it's not too quick anyway. You're right, sec. naked there I swear to a place that holds my dreams at night, singing heavenly highway hymns that all the way up to that beautiful countryside. Someday I'll find words to explain all the good times that echo through my mind. Just take two kids who need love, using laughter as their drug, doing their best to hold that hard line. And I'll ask forgiveness on the skies, and the hayfield that holds me like home. And I'll ask forgiveness, God as my witness, for straying so far on my own. And it stops at that point, just a single strum on the F there, last line of the verse. Bit of a pause, and then we go into the chorus. And what I do for the chorus is this. It's basically a C suspended fourth. Okay, so I'm playing a C chord, but my pinky is added to the 3rd fret on the 4th string. Okay, pinky 3rd fret 4th string, C sus 4, and that's today, and then to the C. So it's C add C sus 4, and then the C. Take the finger off, pinky off, just leave the C behind. Today. Okay, just those 2 chords for today. Okay, today I will A minor, hold my head up, G, knowing again, all repeat. Okay, today I will hold my head up high, knowing someday comes one day at a time. Today sets the sun sinks soon, the settlers warm. Today got someday on my mind. Then we go back to the intro again. Repeat. Someday I'll go up my old friends and we'll catch up too many beers. Pull on lighters, sit around the fire for the first time in so many years. Someday, and so on. That's basically repeats everything again. Okay, it's just everything you've just seen is just repeated. Okay, there's nothing else in it apart from occasionally, I think on the last verse, he doesn't strum it. He just goes, someday I will send you a postcard. He just plays the chords a single strum. Yeah, I sang heavenly highway hymns all the way up to this beautiful warm countryside, which he does quite a lot in his songs. He does occasional verses where he just does the single strum. Yeah, so if you're a Zach fan and you've been playing his songs for some time, you'll probably know that anyway. So there you have it, boys and girls. My take on Zach Bryan's Someday on My Mind. So see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.